Hi everyone, my name is Kevin Henry, an Information Security Auditor, Consultant and Educator. I look forward to sharing knowledge and experiences with you. Welcome to my course on Information Systems Asset Protection Monitoring. This course will provide you with an essential understanding of the process of auditing and evaluating the monitoring of information systems security controls. The Information Systems Auditor is required to evaluate the effectiveness of various controls used to secure information systems. This course addresses the auditing of the monitoring processes used by the organization, including the topics of system attacks, security testing and monitoring, and investigating incidents. By the end of this course, you'll be knowledgeable with the skill of evaluating systems controls and monitoring. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about these core concepts of auditing and monitoring security controls and how this course can help you in your role and career through this course of Pluralsight.